this is Cellplus, and I'm a marketing team and overseas manager named Crystal Cho. And really nice to see you here. And I'm here in Seoul Cafe Show 2021 Seoul Cafe Show in COEX Center. And I've heard that lots of our overseas buyers are waiting for us because they wanted to know about our new release products. So I will introduce about our best products and new products in our Cellplus fancy booth. So let's go. So I will introduce about our representative brand named Sweet Page. So Sweet Page is a really high quality powder for beverage. So Sweet Page is our own products produced powders for any kind of beverage. So we have a lot of kind of powders in Sweet Page, such as yogurt powder, egg powder, smoothie powder, bingsu powder, and etc. So you guys can make lots of beverage in really high quality. And our second brand is Mint Label. Mint Label is a trendsetter brand, and it's the second brand released after the Sweet Page. So Mint Label is only for our Korea market, but we also export this Mint Label brand in case of Sweet Page. So you can taste it in same Mint Label products in overseas. So it has really good source, such as one source multi-use. So let's have a look about other brand. Hi, and then our third brand is Spor. So Spor is a syrup brand from French. So it produces in French 100%, not in China or not in other country. So Cellplus has a Asia distributor. So you guys can take a look about our Spor. So you can make a beverage or a cocktail with our Spor. So I will introduce about our Sweet Page products in more detail. So you guys can look about this colorful brand, colorful powder package. So this name of the product is Fresh Up. So you guys can use this powder to upgrade your fruit beverage, such as green grape, watermelon, strawberry, mango, and citron. You can put only 1 spoon in the cup, and then the freshness and sweetness of fruit, you guys can taste it and smell it really well. So it has high quality powders with sugar and the real fruit juice. So you guys can take a look, and then if you guys have any question about it, question to me. Then next product is Double Series and Snow Series. So you guys can see the double chocolate and double green tea. It's for the soft ice cream. So it has really deep taste and deep flavor. So you can only put milk with powder or only put water in powder. And then you guys can take a really high quality ice cream. And this is our Yo series and Snow series. So Yoga Snow and Choco Snow is for making the bingsu, Korean style bingsu. So nowadays, bingsus are really popular in overseas. So you guys can have a really high quality Korean snow bingsu in overseas sales too. So the last sections are our representative products, which is a yogurt powder. So yogurt powder we have such as citron yo, strawberry yo, gold yo, and fresh yo. Okay. So this is Pink Blossom Lemonade, and this is Omija Malted Wine. So you guys can actually make this high quality visual beverage with our Sweet Page powder. So if you have any interest in, you can reach to our Cellplus. So let's have a look another section. This is also Sweet Page products, and this is a cup bingsu. So you can make a bingsu with the snow powder series. This is a strawberry yogurt smoothie and caramel glaze latte, and green tea means chocolate chip frappe. So those are really colorful visual. So nowadays, lots of young people want to take a picture of our beverage and show in their personal Instagram. So you guys can make these beverage products for your unique coffee. Let's have a look at these powders. And then this is a pink blossom. Actually, this is really popular in China. Our China distributor has a really good sales in pink blossom, and it has a really spring kind of mood and have a pink visual in your 1 cup beverage. And then this is our hibiscus tea powder. Actually, now in Korea beverage market, tea variation beverages are really trend section. So you guys can take a hibiscus tea powder and other kind of tea powder from Sweet Page and follow the trend. And this is a black nougat. So in USA and China, really like their unique powder and unique taste, and with the black and signature color. So you can take a look at it. And let's have a look another brand. So this is a mint label, which is a second brand from Cellplus. More colorful than Sweet Page products beverage, right? Passion fruit grapefruit 8. So it is used. It's made with Sweet Page grapefruit powder and passion fruit X sauce. So I will take more explanation for you guys later. Yeah, just take a look. It's really colorful, right? Then you guys can take a look about this series. Those are using our Korean local pumpkin, maroon, and margot, and sweet potato. So you guys may have a question about the mint label. So actually, Cellplus doesn't export mint label brand to overseas, but if you guys have a really high interest about this, can export this mint label brand in package of Sweet Page. So just have a look. And then in Malaysia, the customers really like the caramel powder and java chip powder because it has a really deep taste of caramel and java chip. So you can make a latte and other hot beverage with our mint label brand. So let's have a look at new products. So you can look at this one. So this is a Myeonggang Omija powder, Jeju green tea tangerine, and Hadong masil. You may not know about the local name. This is a really popular local name in Korea. So Omija is a kind of sweet, fruity things from forest. So it has 5 different tastes and flavor. So it's really have a unique taste. So you may take a look. And then green tea tangerine is from Jeju Island. We put green tea tangerine fruit juice from Jeju Island. So you can take a look at it. And then you can make a really unique Korean style beverage with these powders. And this one is our 2021 FW season new products from Sweet Page. So many people or many owner of cafe now only use a grapefruit just sauce or kind of other products. So, but it's really hard to make a variation beverage with those kind of these powders. You can make lots of tea variation with this powder. So you may take a look at it. So I will introduce about the X sauce from our high quality brand Sweet Page. So X means extract the essence. So it is sauce, highly concentrated sauce, exclusively for cafe and bakery market. This one is the best recommended product from the 5 series of X. So this is a cherry X. Many people don't know about cherry products in sauce or powder. So it has really real and deep freshness of dark sweet cherry. So you guys may take a look. And then you can make a sweet cherry yogurt smoothie with our cherry X and with our gold yogurt smoothie. And then lastly, I want to introduce about the passion fruit X. Passion fruit, it has a sour taste and make a ice beverage, ice aid, and ice passion fruit milk tea. Let's look around the Sweet Page 100% pressed juice. Look at this colorful, pretty bottle juice. So this is Jeju Island, 100% Jeju Island carrot mandarin pressed juice. So you may think about that, oh, is it really pressed juice only with fresh fruit, fresh carrot and mandarin? Yes, I can definitely recommend it for you guys, this juice, because it doesn't contain any water or sugar, you guys only can take a real freshness from Jeju Island. And then I wanna recommend it to our overseas buyer, this 100% Jeju Halabong Mandarin pressed juice. It only contains 100% halabong and mandarin from Jeju Island. People can take this bottle in the showcase of your cafe. So you may put this for kind of a sweet page 100% pressed juice in your showcase, and it will make your cafe more unique. Yeah, let's look around the topping cookie brand. And it has 5 different flavors in compact package. So you guys can put on your beverage as a topping, and it has 5 different flavors. So first of all, it has a brown cookie. It tastes like a coffee taste and caramel taste. So you guys can put on the foam, cream foam, and it really has a nice harmony with foam and this cookie flavor. And then this one is the best seller from our topping cookie series. So its name is strawberry cookie. So it has a real strawberry cookie crunch in it. So it's already cracked in the package. So you guys only just put on your beverage, any kind of beverage such as strawberry yogurt or strawberry juice aid, or even in the waffle. So you can just garnish with this topping cookie. So Spor syrup is 100% French product. So it is produced through strict quality control by syrup experts in France, and it does not use preservatives at all. It's a coconut syrup. It has a light and savory taste and deep flavor of coconut, and it also has a real coconut color, so you can make any cocktail or coconut beverage. So next one is a hazelnut syrup. So hazelnut, you can take it on the coffee, and it has really attractive nutty flavor of hazelnut. So this is one of the best products. And let's have a look at the Mojito syrup. Mojito syrup has a really high freshness of the real natural mint, and it has soft and refreshing mojito flavor. So in our Cellplus, you can make a various kind of mojito beverage with our other sweet page powders and mojito syrup, such as sweet page, fresh green grape. So one of our best products and best flavor from Spor syrup is lime syrup. So you guys can look. The color of lime syrup has a real natural color of lime, which is a light green and slightly light of yellow color. It's a mixture of yellow and light green color. So you can take this lime syrup in any kind of cocktails or beverage. So yeah, we can take a look at it.